Namaste. Welcome to yet another series in Songbook for the Self. So far, we have delved into the melodic aspect of music in Songbook for the Self. We haven't specifically exercised rhythmic patterns or rhythms. Music has two components, melody and rhythm. In life, there are two aspects. One is space and one is time. The space aspect of life maps to melody of music, and the time aspect of life maps to rhythm. Every aspect of us is rhythmic, whether it is inside or outside. Our heart has heartbeats, our breathing has inhalation exhalation pattern. There is weather outside, there are seasons outside, they're all in rhythm. And whenever our systems get out of rhythm is when we feel discomfort and disease. So rhythm is an important aspect of our life and in music. Many research articles and studies suggest a strong correlation between rhythmic patterns and cognitive process enhancement like learning, memory, social connections, and how rhythm processing engages brain reward centers, boosting neural synchronization. They also suggest that rhythmic activities are critical for processes like attention and perception. The experiments reveal that the brain dynamically reorganizes in response to rhythmic sounds, shaping neural network in real time. They correlate rhythmic skills to language skills, executive functions, and motor skills. In South Indian music, the art of speaking out percussion syllables is called Konakol, and its therapeutic benefits range from reducing stress to increasing motivation to enhancing coordination and motor skills, and many more. In this series of lessons, in the 40th episode of Songbook for the Self spanning multiple parts, we will learn Konakol. I am extremely grateful to my brother VP Sudhir for teaching me these lessons. Sudhir is an accomplished Mridangam artist and had the privilege to learn from Delhi Sri V. Chandrasekharan and then advanced lessons from Sri Umayalpuram Shivaraman Mama. Thank you so much, Sudhir. You can practice these lessons daily and see yourself improving in many aspects musically and non-musically as well. Let's delve into these lessons.